Hold on to your leashes, folks. These dog reactions to strange sounds are going to make your day. Meet Max, the goofiest dog on the planet. Today, we're testing his reaction to the quirkiest sounds ever. First up, the classic squeaky toy. Watch him twist like a tornado. Next, the vacuum cleaner, and cue the dramatic retreat. But wait, how about the mysterious doorbell? Max's face is pure gold. And who could forget the ultimate test? The dreaded cat meow. His expression? Priceless. These epic fails are proof that no one can pull off goofy like our furry friends. So if you're in need of a laugh, you've come to the right place. Hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite Max moment, and don't forget to subscribe for more hilarious pet content every week. See you next time, dog lovers.